Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.0 server edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Rocky Linux official website and download rockylinux.org. Then click on download or download, both are same. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 10.0. Click on download or download by using torrent, either is fine. Click on I'm going to download by using torrent method. See torrent link downloaded, click on it. See here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine, both are same. Then next, then select the installer disk image file, then click on browse, then go to downloads. See here I have the Rocky Linux 10.0 DVD ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Now I am giving virtual hard disk size as 50 GB. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize any one of these options, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 GB, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Then click on close. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings. And if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. The only option that I want to change is click on edit virtual machine settings. Then go to display. Then unselect this accelerate 3D graphics. In this 3D graphics, if you select this one, you may get blank screen. Okay, click on OK. Then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 10.0. Hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See, begin installation has been grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked must be set or configured. So select the installation location. I am going with default, so click on done. Then root account. By default it is disabled. I want to enable. Then set the password for root user. Confirm the same and allow SSH root SSH login with password. It is up to you. Then click on done. User creation. I am giving user full name as Auto Schools, and this is the username. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Require a password to use this account. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Click on done. Pass. Now the main option for the Rocky Linux 10.0 server edition is go to software selection. See here by default it has selected server with GUI, but if you want only server, you need to select only this server option. Okay, then you can select these additional softwares. Whatever you want you can select. Okay, then click on done. Again I am telling, for server you have to select only server. Okay, and time and data I am going with the defaults. For okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Provide the username. Provide the password of this user. See here we have installed Rocky Linux 10.0. Its code name is Redpatch. Okay, you can also verify the version by running mod/etc os-release. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify IP of this machine ifconfig. See, we got the same. Okay, see, this is the IP of the machine. Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update _sudo dnf upgrade. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is going to install 5 packages and upgrading on 65 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux Standard 0 server edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.